Help shape your play.
This is just going to be an awesome project.
The City of Frisco invites residents to weigh in on plans at 2 future parks. Parks planners believe they've developed a unique plan for Northwest Community Park and Frisco on the Green.
We wanted to use what's already existing. There's already a lot of people that are coming and biking in here. There's already people that are already fishing at the pond of Frisco on the Green.
It's now time to reveal the final concept so those who will be playing in the parks can share their thoughts.
After we kind of gather some feedback from the residents, we'll be able to take that schematic design into actual construction documents.
Construction could begin as soon as next spring.
Northwest Community Park, it's our big project. It's 120 acres of park. And this time around, we're doing something totally different. We're kind of pushing the envelope as far as design goes.
There will be different play areas, including a splash park and a large lawn to host concerts and other activities, plus a bike playground and a new pump track.
Kids they're just gonna go crazy on that thing.
The area around the 5-acre irrigation pond built by the PGA will be amenitized, and the existing mountain bike trails will be enhanced.
This is going to be awesome, be able to just really retrofit these mountain bike trails, create all-weather terrain, so even if it's raining, you'll still be able to use these mountain bike trails. And to me, that's such a unique feature that the city is going to be able to have, and our residents are just going to enjoy.
Keeping the park natural is top of mind as well.
There are remnants of Texas Blackland Prairie already in here, so we're trying to conserve and preserve that and highlight it as part of the project.
A prairie overlook will invite park guests into the trails.
It's actually set in a specific location inside the trails where our users can see the park and see the mountain bike trails, see the landscape.
An overlook will also be at Frisco on the Green, a 27-acre neighborhood park nearby.
It's about 80% wetland areas, so there's a lot of bottomland, wetland plants that we want to try to create an immersion experience through this boardwalk system. There's a top 3 acres on the park that's outside of the floodplain where we will bring playground, some shade structure.
The construction of the parks will be simultaneous and will cost between $20 and $25 million. Parks fees, general obligation bonds, and funds from the Community Development Corporation will pay for the projects. You can find the link to Shape Your Play at playfrisco.org/futureparks.